In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link in Zoho sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add links to text or images inside your site, whether you're pointing visitors to another page on your site or sending them to an external web address. Start by heading to the Zoho site's homepage. If you're not already signed in, choose the Google Sign-In option, or sign in the way you normally do. When the Google account chooser appears, pick the account that's connected to your Zoho site's workspace so you land in the correct dashboard. Once you're in, open the site project you want to work on. This takes you into the site builder. From here, open the Pages panel so you can find the specific page you want to edit. Navigate to that page, then switch into editing by choosing Edit Content. You should now see the inline editor with the formatting toolbar at the top. Next, decide what you want to turn into a link. If it's text, drag to highlight the exact words you want linked. Keeping the selection tight helps with accessibility and readability. If it's an image or a button, click once to select that element. With your text or element selected, click the link button in the editor toolbar. It looks like a small chain icon. This opens the link dialog where you choose what type of link you're creating. If you want to connect to another page within your site, select the option for page. Then pick the destination page from the list. Linking internally like this is great for creating smooth navigation paths, such as Learn More, links to your About page or service details. If you want to point to an external destination, choose Web URL. Paste the full address, including the HTTPS prefix, to avoid broken links. A helpful tip here: for external sites, consider enabling the option to open the link in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. Also double-check the URL for typos. Copying and pasting from the browser address bar is the most reliable way. When everything looks good, click Save in the dialog. You'll see your selection turn into an active link inside the editor. It's a good idea to use Preview to test the link before you publish changes, making sure it goes exactly where you expect. If anything needs adjusting, just reopen the link dialog, make your changes, and save again. That's it. You've linked text or images in Zoho sites using the built-in editor, either to internal pages or to external web addresses. Repeat these steps anywhere you want to guide visitors through your content.